Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool product right here in my hand. If you guys can see, right there is like a little logo right there that's by the brand called Beam Electronics. And pretty much what this is a car air vent phone holder. So first thing first, let me unbox it and show you guys what it looks like and what comes out of the package first before we do the test and all that good stuff. So right out the bat, when you open the package, first thing you get is this little product right here. And then they give you like a warranty card or thank you card right here to, thank you guys for your purchase and all that good stuff. But here is the actual product itself. You guys can see the little logo right there, their Beam Electronic logo. Here's the two little grips that will hold your phone in place. You got a grip here as well. This one does not move, but these two does move. And the way how you move these two is by clicking the button on the back of the product right here. So if you guys press it, it opens up. And then if you guys look right here, we have a little tightening component where you guys can tighten up the little ball head right here, or if you guys want to loosen it, you guys can loosen it as well. So this is what happens. You guys loosen it up, you guys can move it really easily, but once you tighten it up, it's gonna be really hard to move it. Makes it much more sturdier, so that when you guys clip this part onto the car, then you guys won't be able to move it, or it won't fall off as easy. So on this ball head compartment, there's two options of how you guys want to close it. So if you guys look carefully right here, I'll show you guys the two options. So this is the not so tight option. You guys want to use that. So that's how tight it can get if you guys want to use that option, which is number one. If you guys turn it to the other way like this, you guys can see it's much tighter, and that's option 2. So 2 is much tighter, 1 is less tight. So depending on which side you guys want to use it on, you guys can use either one. So I would suggest using the 1 so it's much tighter so it won't fall off, because there's other car air vents mounts like this where I had issues where I put it for a long period of time and start to get loose, and that's from using the number 2. So what tends to happen is when you guys use this option for a long period of time, it tends to start getting loose, and you guys have to change it. So that's pretty much everything that's on this product. Now let's actually put it on and see how it looks like. So here's my phone. So you guys remember the other ones that I've tested in the past with the car air vent or car mounts in general to hold your phone, it will actually close automatically once I put it on. This one's more of a manual, so you guys have to manually close it and make sure it's tight. So when it's tight, it won't fall off. So that's one thing to consider. So if you guys want like an automatic one where if you guys are driving and you just want to put it on and close it for you, this is probably not the one for you. But if you guys don't mind doing it manually and wanting to hold it much more tighter because it's more of a manual option for you guys, then definitely get one of these, especially for the price is not that bad. These go for around $15. So if you guys do want one of these, then I do highly recommend getting one of it if you guys want to, especially since this product is so popular. If you guys look under reviews on Amazon, they got like I think 15,000 something ratings on here. So a lot of people use this and it's pretty popular. But if you're like me, who's someone who want to use like the automatic option, also a wireless charging option, then this product wouldn't be the one for you guys, and you guys can get the other one that I reviewed in the past. So at the end of the day, it really depends on you guys as consumer or what is your preference of which one you guys want more, a automatic wireless charging one or a manual one that does not charge but you guys can still plug the cable underneath, because if you guys look, there's enough room for you to plug it in. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the little unboxing, testing, and feedback about the product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have